masala, Achaar Gosht masala, ginger garlic paste, 2 chopped onions, 4 chopped tomatoes. Let's cook. Add oil. Mix it a little. Fry it a little. Mix it well. Add ginger garlic paste. Add 1 glass of water. Mix it a little. Add chicken meat. Add Achaar Gosht masala. Add 2 glasses of water. Mix it well. Cook it for 10 minutes on low flame. Mix it well. Add chopped tomatoes. Mix it a little. Cook it for 10 minutes on low flame. Mix it well. Add filled green chilies. Cook it for 5 minutes on low flame. Your delicious Achaar Gosht is ready. Mix it a little and then dip them. Enjoy your delicious Achaar Gosht with your loved ones. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment.